Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You are welcome to my class. Today I will take class on transformation of sentences. In your previous class, you have practiced transformation of sentences. You have understood simple, complex, and compound sentences. But today's class, transformation of sentence, class 9, you will understand about simple, complex, and compound sentences and about their change, how to change them. Okay, so you should understand the learning outcomes. By the end of the class, you must be able to understand how to transform simple, complex, and compound sentences, and then you will understand them and you will able to change them. Okay, so let's practice. Number one, what's the sentence? Simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. These are the structures. So from the middle you try to understand. In complex sentences, if the complex sentence connected with since, because, since, as, when, because, since, as, when, because, plus subordinate clause plus principal clause, that time you will change them using verb plus ing and extension, and then you should use verb, subject, verb, and extension. That is called principal clause here. That is called principal clause here. And in compound sentence, you will use and. Those clauses, these two clauses will be connected with and. Okay. So first example, first one, complex sentence. Since he works hard. Here is since. Here is since, like this. The sentence, complex sentence is connected with since. The complex sentence is connected with since. Since he works hard, he will shine in life. So we change them. If we want to change it into simple sentence, that time we should use verb plus ing. That means verb plus ing means the verb of the subordinate clause. Verb of the subordinate clause. When the subjects are same, you should not use since, and you should not use the subject. You should use the verb with ing form and the extension part, like this, verb plus ing and extension, and then you should use the principal clause. Look at this, working hard. That means we have avoided since and subject because the subjects are same. So you should make it phrase using ing, verb plus ing, working hard. That time you should use the principal clause. So what would be the sentence? Working hard, he will shine light. So it's not a clause, now it's a phrase. And it has only one subject and one finite verb. So it becomes a simple sentence. Okay? If you want to change it into complex compound sentence, that time follow this. He works hard and. Here is follow here. Look at this coordinate clause. That means both clauses will be coordinate clause because they will help each other. They will share to each other. That means the subject are same, but second subject is not used here because they are coordinating the subject. They are coordinating to each other. তারা একে অন্যের সহযোগী হিসেবে কাজ করবে. So what type of conjunction will be used here? If there is since, as, when, because in compound sentence, that time you will use and in compound sentence. Okay. If there is since, as, when, because in complex sentence, you will use verb plus ing of the subordinate clause and then extension part of the subordinate clause, and then you will use the principal clause. It will become a simple sentence. Okay, so we may practice using both. We may give more examples. Complex sentence, suppose as he is ill, he will not go to school. As he is ill, he will not go to school. If you want to change it into simple sentence, that time you should not use the conjunction, you should use the ing form. So ing form, what is the ing form of is? That should be being. That should be being. Okay. Because you should use being. You should use being because be is the main form of am, is, are, was, were, and verb plus ing, being. Ing is used always the base form or main form or V1. Okay, that time you'll use the extension part ill. Being ill, you should use the principal clause. He will not go to school. Okay, or you may use another rule like this: because of. If you use because of, that time you should use the positive form of the subject. Positive form of the subject. What would be the positive form? His. And that time you should use the noun of this. You should use the noun of this adjective. So you should use illness. Because of his illness, he will not go to school. Using any of these rules, you may change complex sentence into simple sentence if there is since, as, when, because in complex sentence. Okay, or you may write down like this way: or look at this. In this way you may able to write down: he will not go to school because of his illness. You may use the first part at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. If you write down the phrase at the beginning of the sentence, that time you should use comma. If you use the phrase at the end of the sentence because of his illness, you should not use comma. Okay, using any of this rule, you may change complex sentence into simple sentence. Okay. If you want to you want to send them in compound sentence, that time you should write down the subject first, then the verb is, that means the first clause, ill, and you should not use the subject here because these are similar subject and will not go to school. Okay, have you understood? If there is she says when in complex sentence, you should use and in compound sentence. Okay. In simple sentence, if you see that being ill or because of his illness, you may use this structure to make them complex sentence. At first you should use the verb, subject, then verb, then the extension part or adjective, then you should use the conjunction and then you should use the rest of the sentences. Okay. In this way, you may easily able to change them simple sentence into complex sentence and complex sentence into compound sentence, or vice versa. If you want to change the compound sentence into simple sentence, if you want to change the compound sentence, he is ill and will not go to school, you may use this structure. Use this, any of this structure. Okay. In this way, you may easily change simple, complex, and compound sentences. Okay. So let's practice. Let's go to the slide. I think that you have understood this rule. This is rule number 1. So next rule, if there is that, so that, in complex sentence, that is means principal clause, that or so that, subordinate clause. That means that or so that are used in complex sentences. What will you do to transform them into simple or compound sentence? In simple sentence, that time you may use instead of that or so that. If the verb, if the subjects are same, that time you should use to instead of that or so that. Then you should not use the subject and auxiliary verb. That time you should use the verb, base form of the verbs of the subordinate clause. Okay, and then you should use the extension part. And in compound sentence, you should use and instead of that or so that. Okay, so let's check the sentence. Complex sentence. The man comes here so that he can take the book. The man comes here. The man comes here so that মানুষটা আসছে এখানে যাতে he can take the book. বইটা নিতে পারে। তার মানে নেওয়ার জন্য এসেছে। So if you want to change it into simple sentence, what will you do? So we know that conjunctions are used before subordinate clauses. So which one is subordinate clause here? Next clause, he can take the book. It must be subordinate clause here because conjunction so that is used before the clause. Okay, and the man comes here is the principal clause. So you should use subject plus verb plus extension. That means principal clause. So check it. Simple sentence. The man comes here. We have used the principal clause here. That time we use to instead of so that. You should use to instead of so that because the subjects are similar. The man, he and the man are same. Okay, the subjects are similar, so you should not use the subject then and you should not use the auxiliary verb. You only use the base form of the main verb, and the extension part. Okay, that time it will be easily changed into simple sentence. Okay, if you want to change it into complex sentence, what will you do? You should use and. Instead of that or so that. Look at this. The man comes here and can take the book. We should not use the same subject again in compound sentence. Okay, the man and he are same, so we should not use he here. Okay, in this way we may change it. So another example we may write down here. The boy reads carefully. So that he can learn it. The boy reads carefully so that he can learn it. So how will you change it into simple sentence? If you want to make it in simple, then what will you do? If you want to change, you should use the principal clause at first. It's the principal clause. The boy reads carefully. Now you should use to instead of that, because the subjects are same. So you should use to, and you should not use the subject and auxiliary. You should use the based on the main verb, to learn it. Understand? It becomes a simple sentence. If you want to change it into compound sentence, then you will use the principal clause. The boy reads carefully, and you should not use the next subject because the subjects are similar here. So can, you should use can, then the main verb, can learn it. Okay, in this way you may easily change them. So if the question, the questions comes, if the subjects are different, যদি সাবজেক্ট ভিন্ন হয়, what will you do? So let's practice it. Simple compound. My dear students, now follow the example. He makes the garden so that the children can play there. So who are the subject of these clauses? He and the children. So subjects are different. subjects are different. So what will you do then? That time we should use the principal clause at first. He makes the garden. He makes the garden. And that time we will use for instead of so that, because the subject are different. Subject are different. So we should use at first for, and then the subject should be used the children. Children. And we should not use the auxiliary verb. We should use to here. We should use to instead of the auxiliary verb. Okay. And that time we should write down the verb plus extension. So play there. It's very easy. Okay. If the subjects are different, you should use for instead of so that, and then you should write down the subject, and then you should use to before the verb. Okay. So it's very easy. And if you want to make it compound sentence, that time you should write down principal clause. He makes, he makes the garden and the children. The children can play there. Okay. You may use here will instead of can, no problem. But if you use can, no problem. Okay. In this way, you may easily sense simple, complex, and compound sentence. Okay. It would not need to learn lot of rules. You should practice the system. You should practice in this system. Automatically, you will learn many things. Understand? So, okay, my dear students, today we have practiced two rules to say simple, complex, and compound sentences in a at the same times. At the same time, we didn't practice a lot of rules, but we have practiced two systems. So you should learn the system to sense sentences. Okay. So thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.